Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Excel Chapter 4 Mid-Level 2 Riverwood Realty. So open the Excel files, Excel Chapter 4's Mid-Level 2 Riverwood Realty. So click the stars. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my IT Lab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee you a 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So Excel chapter 4 mid level 2 reward realities EXP22 Excel chapter 4 ML2 rewards and reality. So click the download the materials, click the download the all files, go to the files and click the downloads and open the Word file and Excel files. So the enable editing and enable editing. So assignment title is EXP22 Excel chapter 4 ML2 Riverwood Realty instruction. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. So we move to the question number 1 and total question is 13. So question number 1 is start Excel download and file names EXP22 Excel chapter 4 assessments grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. So go to the Excel worksheets. I have already downloaded the EXP22 Excel chapter 4 assessments. So I have downloaded the Excel files. So question number 1 is complete. We move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is freeze the pen so that the column label do not scroll the off screen. So freeze the pen so that the column label do not screen. Freeze the pen that the column off screens. Click the events and go to the view tabs and go to the window groups. Click the freeze pens and next is label do not scroll the off screen. So question number 2 is complete. We move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is convert the data to a table and then name the table as to sales. So convert the data to a table and name the table to sales. So copy the name and convert the data tables. So go to the insert tabs and go to the table groups, click the tables and click OK. So insert the tables, convert the data tables and then name the table as sale. So copy the name and select the table design. So select the table and go to the table designs, go to the table name groups and click the table one is sales, press enter. So question number 3 is complete. We move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is apply the purple table style .10 to the tables. So apply the purple table style .10 to the table. So apply the purple table style .10. So go to the table design tabs and go to the table style groups and purple table style .10. Purple table style .10. So purple table style light 12 and purple table style medium 12, purple table style dark 10. and purple table style medium 12 and lavenders table style medium 10 26. So dark purple table style dark 10. So purple table style dark 10, click OK. So question number 4 is complete. We move to the question number 5. So question number 5 is remove the duplicate record from the tables. Excel should find and remove the 8 duplicate records. So remove the duplicate records and Excel should find and remove the 8 duplicate records. Remove the duplicate record from the tables. So go to the table design tabs and go to the tool groups and click the remove records, click the select jars and click OK. So 8 duplicates value found and remove the 81 unique value remain. Note the count will include the empty cell space and click OK. So remove the 8 duplicate records. So question number 5 is complete. We move to the question number 6. So question number 6 is add a new column in I, name is the day on markets and use the unique structures, unqualified structure reference to calculate the days on the market, sale dates, manage listening dates in column I and set the column I to with this 14. So add the new column I in name is days on market. So copy the name and add the new column I name on the days on market. So select the column I and days on market, press enter. Days on market and use the unqualified structures reference to calculate the days on market, sale date, manage listening dates, sale date, manage listening date in column I and set the column I with to 14. So days on markets, add the new column on the days on markets and unqualified calculate the days in the sale dates, manage listing dates. So type is equal to sale date manage listing date. Sale date minus listening date and press enter. And next is in the column I and set the column I to with this 14. So select the column I, right click and click the column with this to 14 and click OK. So question number 6 is complete. We move to the question number 7. So question number 7 is apply the total row and sales table, set the selling price and days on market totals to average. So apply the total row to the sale table and set the selling price and days on the market total average. So apply the total row, go to the table design tabs and click the total row, and next is total row and sale tables, and set the selling price and days on market total to average. So select the selling price, select the selling price, and uh, selling price on days market on total to average. Click the average in the selling price and days on markets. The days on markets total to average. So selling price and days on markets. Set the selling price and days on market, and date on days on market, markets. So question number 7 is complete. We move to the question number 8. So question number 8 is, apply the default top 10% conditional formatting to the column F2 and F82. Apply the top 10% conditional formatting to column. So copy the range F2 to F82 and paste the range, press enter. So select the selling column and top 10 is the formatting to column. Apply the defaults top 10 to the home tabs and go to the conditional formattings and click the top 10 items. Click the top 10% conditional formattings F2 to F82. Top 10% and click OK. So question number 8 is complete. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my IT lab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee you a 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So I have done the assignments and save the files, upload the files. So save the file and upload the assignments. So close the files and upload the assignment and check the scores. Click the continue. So click the file, upload the file and submit the grades. So click the EXP22 Excel chapter assessment source. Click open and click upload. So click the continue. So you can see the Excel chapter 4 mid-level 2 Riverwood Realties, and you can see the score is 97%. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my IT lab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing, and other courses. So I will guarantee you a 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So you can see the score is current score is 97% in Excel chapter 4 mid level 2 River Relatives.